Thank you very much for joining us today. My name is Juan Rat. I'm the marketing manager of Indumil Colombia. Indumil Colombia is a state-owned company that handles, manufactures, and the monopoly of the country regarding the defense sector. So we manufacture every kind of products, from rifles to small firearms, drop munitions, among others. Here we are looking at the new products that we have in this trade show. We're talking about the Gatsi and the Slaga. The Gatsi is a grenade. It was developed to be attached to the Slaga, and the Slaga itself goes to a drone, and the drone operator can take the explosive charge to the operation zone. We are actively using this right now with the Colombian Army, with the aviation division, having great results. The Gatsi itself has 3 safety measures that you have to take off before putting into the Slaga, which is the carbon fiber additivement that we see to my left. And everything is operated from a control far away. Actually, right now we are using 2 people, one that controls the aircraft, another one that is spotting and doing the release of the charge. The Slaga is developed or constructed by carbon fiber, mainly because we're trying to preserve the aircraft flight range. So here we have one of our newest products, which is a robot that is able to disable explosive charges from a safe distance for the operator. And also it has several ways of doing it. We can do it through a charge, a control shot to the explosive, or also we can do it through some of the additives that it has, like this robotic arm. So this is our new rifle. At the moment we are looking for a name. At the moment the project name is called Indumil Rifle, but we should have by the end of this trade show its new name. We have it in 3 versions, one of 8 inches, 13 and 18 inches. The difference, of course, between that is the range that the bullet is going to travel to with precision. So we're talking ranges between 300 up to 600 meters, depending on the version of the rifle that we have. We are testing it with the Army of Colombia and the different forces of the country in harsh conditions, let's say mud, rain, desert, sand, etc. Because one of the things that perhaps is very important to this kind of products is the reliability in hard conditions. So actually we are already using this rifle in those tests. Right now we're looking to get into the international markets, mainly in the neighboring countries that may have a need of this kind of products. Also, they have problems with illegal ore minery, etc. So we're looking to support and to provide a defense solution for this kind of problems, of issues.
My name is Juan Gonzalez. I am an aerospace engineer and I am the CEO and founder of Black Square. It's a Colombian company specialized in manufacturing heavy lifter drones. We have 3 family of drones. First of all, we have the Hercules. We have 2 versions, the Hercules X4 and the X8, 4 motor or 8 motor. The maximum payload capacity of the X4 is 6 kilograms and the Hercules X8 is 12 kilograms. Something that makes us proud is that, for instance, the Hercules X8 was the first multi-rotor in the world to get the Class C3 certification for Europe. So this is something very valuable for us because it's a drone made in Colombia. To get such achievement is something that makes us proud. Then we move to the Atlas family. Again, we have Atlas X4 and Atlas X8. The maximum payload capacity for the X4 is 20 kilograms and the maximum payload capacity for the X8 is 40 kilograms. And finally, we have a VTOL, the Dragon 4000. Here we are exhibiting the 4000, but we have the 3000 and the 5000. Number means the wingspan. 4000 is 4 meters from wingtip to wingtip. And the Dragon 4000 is able to lift 10 kg for 2 hours. The main value add for our drone is to lift weight. And you can carry something, I don't know, ammunition or medical care or whatever to move from point A to point B. And that is the main purpose of our drones. We have been in business for 10 years already. So we have this map where we showed all the countries that are using our drone. So we started being a supplier of a drone for geophysical application. This is a civilian application. Just recently, we realized that there is a need for heavy lifter drones in the defense industry. That is why we're here.
My name is Alberto Mejia. I represent Armor International. We're the manufacturers of Hunter vehicles. This is the Hunter TR12. This is the 2026 model, which we're showing for the first time here in this show. It's made in Colombia. It's designed in Colombia. It has a V8 6,600 cc engine, turbo diesel, 350 horsepower, with a torque of 700 Newton meters. As you can see, this vehicle comes with a winch, pulling devices. We use the grills, which are used especially for, when there are riots and all kinds of things, they don't damage all the windows. Of course, it comes with runflets, military runflets. It has 360 degree cameras. It has PA system. In this model, we are showing for the first time a turret that comes with motorized device. We are currently working in a project with the Colombian Army. They have many needs. Fortunately, we are opening new countries. We have been exporting this unit to Chile with a very high success. We have been producing the Hunter since 2011 when we showed it for the first time, and it has been in combat, perfect results.